Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that.
I'm gonna show you how to make rice using cauliflower. You can use a grater that you usually use for cheese. Or you can use a simple machine that you can buy from any grocery. This one I bought in a very cheap price. Cut the cauliflower into smaller pieces until the container is full. Nagpa-vlog pa ako eh. You can actually chop all the cauliflower in one time so that you don't need to chop all the cauliflowers every time you are going to cook. Just put it in the refrigerator and surely it will not spoil. I'm now done chopping the cauliflower. This is enough for me to consume in 2 days. Eating cauliflower instead of rice will not make you feel bloated. Now it's time to cook the cauliflower. All you need to do is put some olive oil on a hot pan and then cook the cauliflower just for 5 minutes. You can also fry some garlic and add the cauliflower if you want some garlic rice.
Halo ko yung kamay ko.
Super easy, healthy, and yummy. The best substitute for rice. Try it!